Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a time when you helped a child. You should say when it was, how you helped him, why you helped him, and how you felt about it.
Last summer, I was walking in the park when I saw a little boy who was crying and looking very upset. I went over to him and asked him what was wrong. He told me that he had lost his parents and was feeling scared and alone. I comforted him and asked him for his parents' phone number, but he didn't remember it. I decided to stay with him until we could find his parents. We walked around the park together, looking for anyone who might be his parents. After a few minutes, we found a park ranger who helped us locate the boy's parents. They were extremely grateful and relieved to find their son safe and sound. I helped the boy because I knew how scary it can be to feel lost and alone, especially for a child. I wanted to make sure he was okay and help him find his parents as soon as possible. I felt happy and fulfilled after helping the little boy. It was a small act of kindness, but it meant a lot to the boy and his parents. I was glad that I was able to make a positive impact on someone's day and help someone in need. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.